Okay, so we're gonna do a taste for our spaghetti that we made a while ago. Let's try them. I never made this before, and I brilliantly put some oyster on them. I'm not sure whether how does it taste like. Let's try. Actually, it's not bad, really. Okay, eating them as a whole, it's not bad. You should try this. And when the spiciness kicked in, oh my goodness, that's the best part. And I love how our prawn is not overcooked as well. Everyone, this is a good recipe. I just simply whip up something that I have in the kitchen, and it turns out it's delicious. And it's not too creamy. It's like kind of light on your palate. Sometimes when it's too creamy, it makes you kind of like I don't want to eat them after maybe 4 or 5 bites. But this one, it's not. You can see it for yourself. So make sure you click that link below right here and try and make them yourself. It's really delicious. I really recommend this. I see you on my next video. Make sure to subscribe as well.